y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hey girl, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we're going to be doing a review on this wig that I have on right here right now. It is a Upart wig. It got some streaks going on and my hair is blended very nicely, if I do say so myself. Okay, so let's get into it. Hey y'all, so today's wig was sent over from NadulaHair and this is what their packaging looks like. They sent over the usual goodies, hair clips, wig caps, scarves, lashes, you know, the whole shebang. And then they also added a little tote bag with their logo on it. But let's get into the wig because I know that's what you really came here for, right? So this is their Fb30 Upart wig in the body wave texture. It is 20 inches. Well, I got 20 inches because I didn't want it to be too long, but this is their construction. It has combs on the side, combs around the U part, a comb in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. And the cap size is stretchy, so I definitely think it will be big head friendly. They have lace in the back, and this is what the U part looks like. The track is not thick at all, so it will be easy to cover. So yeah, y'all know I just like to come and show y'all what the wig looks like before I co-wash it. This hair is really soft. I will say though, if you like thicker wigs, like this wig is a little bit on the more natural side. I won't say it's thin, but it's not super thick either. It's like the natural density type. Okay, so here is what the wig looks like after it has been air dried. There is just something about a body wave texture after you wash it, like the beautiful loose wave that it has. Like, I'm just obsessed. I just will never get tired of this like loose wave after you wash a body wave texture. Love. But yeah, so this is what it looks like after it has been air dried, well, washed and then air dried. I'm trying to see like what I want to do with it because I kind of want to leave it with the waves, right? But then I kind of wanted to do like some very loose curls, which I feel like low-key is the same thing, like a loose wave, a loose curl, like, but I don't know. So I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna style it, but in the meantime I'm gonna cut the what's the names off right here and then the lace in the back, and then we could try it on. So I have my little anchor braids right here. My head looks so flat. Okay, y'all, so because I'm pressed for time because the sun is like about to set and it's gonna get dark, I curled my hair off camera. I literally just took the flat iron and ran a flat iron through it. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna rake through. I just wanted a little something in the front, you know? That's why I cut the bangs or whatever. Just to give it a little something because my head looks so flat. But this is cute. I'm surprised my hair is so sleek. What did I do to deserve this? My hair is behaving today, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna let that just fall like on its own. But yeah, so this is the final look. I feel like everything is blended nicely, even though like my hair is brown, because it has like streaks, it looks pretty good. So yeah, it's super cute. You could even like get you a U-part and have some color without having to color your hair. Love that. This hair quality is really nice. The hair feels really soft. It curled pretty easily. Love that. I feel like they did the highlights and stuff really nice. Like it looks pretty good. So that's it, y'all. Once again, thanks to NadulaHair for sending me over this wig and collaborating with your girl on today's video. If you're interested, I will leave the link in the description box for you to check it out. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll catch you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.